Hey y'all, it's me Azalea and you're watching my YouTube channel, Azalea's Way. Today we're putting together a trampoline. We have the ANCHEER Kids Trampoline and I'm going to unbox and put it together for you today. ANCHEER gifted us this trampoline, and if you want to get one like it, then there will be a link in the description of this video and in the comments section. So this is how the box arrives when you order your trampoline. And bust this box open, cut the tape, open her up, and you have another little box. So I took this one, opened it up. Everything was very well protected while it traveled. I took all the pieces out. In general, it was fairly self-explanatory, but there is, of course, the user manual, and the directions are great for getting those legs screwed on and getting the handlebar put on. Comes in English and Spanish. Lots of pictures. Let you know what you're doing here. All right, so the trampoline is out. Before you unfold it, go ahead and make sure all the springs are in the right holes they're supposed to be in. Get all the springs, make sure they're all where they're supposed to be before you unfold it. Because after you unfold it, it gets all tight and then you can't really pull the springs into place. So first get your springs, then unfold it. Then you screw those little legs on. And then, you read your instructions, you follow the diagram, and you work on getting that handlebar put in place. You've got all the little screws and hardware. You got a little tiny itty bitty wrench, little tiny itty bitty screwdriver, and you got everything you need right here in the box to get this trampoline ready. As y'all can tell, I got my tiny little helper with me. So I think technically it's probably going to be faster to put this trampoline together without a little helper. But it's okay because he sure is cute and he's having a great time. So I got the handlebar put together and I'm ready for the next step of now attaching the handlebar to the trampoline. And we've got the hardware to do so. And I think that handlebar is going to be really great, especially having kids or even for me bouncing on here so I don't go flying through the air. Safety first. All right, got that step complete. Little test bounce. Make sure we're heading in the right direction. We are almost done. Getting this trampoline together. There is the last piece for the handlebar. Nicely packaged, no dings, everything was in perfect condition. It's nice grippy, kind of soft handlebar, which is great when you've got kids bouncing so they don't hit their head. There's a cushion to it. So kind of just set that on and then screw it. It's got nice big screws. And gee, we're almost done, aren't we? I think my little helper has given his seal of approval. It's looking good for him. He's ready to bounce. But there's one more thing there. Well, first we're going to secure that handlebar to the base of the trampoline. And then we've got the pink outer wrapping that's going to cover up the springs. Now, this does come in different colors. I chose pink because pink is my favorite color. So we'll just slip this on over the springs and then you can give another little test bounce before securing that wrap to the trampoline and tightening it. And we're going to have some great fun inside with this because it is cold outside. It's winter right now. This is going to be a great way to get some exercise and to get some of the wiggles out here inside the house. But ultimately, this is going to go into the backyard and we are going to have so much fun bouncing in the springtime and the summer. Thank you so much to ANCHEER for gifting us this trampoline. The kids are loving it. And if you would like to get your own ANCHEER trampoline, then check out the link in the description to this video and in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye, y'all.